Hello and welcome to Pristine Tech School channel. I am very excited to explain the concepts of aggregation and composition. So first, we discuss association, which means simple relationship between some objects or things. Like we can define this as relationship between some objects known as association. We can take example like customer use shopping cart which contains items. So this is one of the example of association. So in our previous video of inheritance, we had learned about is a relationship. This video we will cover has a relationship. In case we of is a relationship, we said it like we are having two classes. In case of is a relationship, we are having two classes. One of is superclass and second one we have subclass, and these both classes inherits with the keyword of extends. So this is known as inheritance or is a relationship. So we can take any example like dog is a animal. For example, animal is my superclass and dog is my subclass. So these both are inherited. So we can say that dog is a animal. So it is a relationship. We can take more example like eagle is a bird, or we can take one more example like we are having bank and checking account. So this we call it as checking account is a bank account, and this would be always in the empty arrow like this. So this is all about is a relationship. So inheritance describes is a relationship, but whereas aggregation describes has a relationship which has unfilled diamond. Because in case we cannot say like this, a car is a engine. We cannot say it like this, but we can call it as a car has a engine. Or we can take one more example like customer has a address and a bank has many accounts, or a university has many students. So however, we can also say that library has many books. So these are some of the examples that we can refer to aggregation. So let's start with the practical example. Info.io .star So I'm going to create class with the name of bank, in which I am taking variable with the private access modifier, say string name, and then taking constructor with the name of bank, this dot name equals to name, then creating one more method, say get bank name. So this will return me the name of bank. So now we're going to create the clients, or we can say that persons who access that bank. Like I'm creating the class person and taking one private variable string name, and then creating one constructor and initializing here the values. And then creating one method to get username or person name who having the access to the bank. So this is going to return me the name of person. After this, I'm going to create one main class, say association. So in this, I'm going to create the main method. In this, I'm going to create the object of my bank class, say bank B equals to new bank, and I'm going to pass here the name of the bank, say HDFC, and after that I'm going to create the uses of the person, like person P equals to new person, say MD. Then we're going to go all the name of the person and the bank. Person name and so now let's save the program and see what's the output. So it's successfully compiled. Now let's run the code. Okay, so So it's giving me the output like Andy is user of HDFC Bank. So in this example, we are doing the aggregation, in which what I have done, I have created one example or one class for the bank and one for person. And then I have created the main class with the name of association. So in this example, there are two separate classes of bank and person, and these are associated through their objects. So bank can have many persons. So it is also known as one-to-many relationship. Let's see how it could be possible. So for example, we're going to take, we are having with this bank, and these all are the different persons who are having access to the bank. This is like person 1, this is person 2, and this is person 3. So in this, bank and employee are associated through objects. These are my objects B and P. So bank can have many persons. So this is called as one-to-many relationship, also known as aggregation. So guys, I very frequently upload videos on various technologies. I also create videos considering the interview questions in mind. If you have any particular topic on which you want me to create a detailed video, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're confused about is a relationship, you can refer that video in our previous video, that is inheritance. So in my coming video, I'm going to discuss about the composition in Java and what's the difference between composition and aggregation. And this is all about in this video of aggregation. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We very frequently upload the videos, and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever there is another super helpful tutorial. Have a good day ahead.